Alright man, this is a little bit sketchy, even for me. Alright, so I had a very early start to the morning today. I have a really busy day ahead of me, but since I'm up so early, I have some time to do a little day trip, a little road trip, to show you guys the smallest desert in the world. It can snow in the desert? Any Tim Hortons you go to in this country is always going to have a lineup. The lineup today, right now, actually isn't even that bad, so they're usually pretty fast. Hey there, can I get a large black coffee, please? Yeah. That's everything. That's everything, thank you. Thank you. Hey, can I also pay for the guy behind me? $7.55. Okay. That's for you. Thank you, sir. Thanks so much. I've always wanted to do that, to pay for somebody's order behind me. So this morning, I tried on a pair of pants I haven't worn in 2 years. I tried to wear them about 6 months ago just to see if they'd fit, and they didn't. So this morning, they fucking fit. I'm super stoked about it. They're pretty tight, but it's nice to at least know that I am making some progress. Slow progress is still progress, so it's a good day. Got Doris out for a walk. She's in her boxing hoodie. We made her a hoodie because we had trouble finding one and they're just super expensive, so. So here we are at the Carcross Desert. Signs don't lie. Just like styrofoam. Woo! So it is cold outside. We got a short little walk in, and I hope you enjoyed the world's smallest desert. Now we're gonna head to Carcross. I'm sure it's booming. Doris! Alright man, this is a little bit sketchy, even for me. Alright, so this thing is creaking and cracking, and you can hear the ice below creaking and cracking. It's cool out here though, but not for the faint of heart. Well, I'm gonna say that about finishes it for today. Freezing my balls off. Hope you enjoyed Carcross, and if you didn't,